She loves it. Don't want to laugh too loud because then that's all you'll hear on this.
I can do the bucket. I can empty the bucket.
You're just having too much fun. You love playing with the water.
Yeah, but not Maddie.
She got me good.
She got you good?
She got me good.
Let's get Amanda here. Woohoo! Look at that! Woohoo! Oh, Maddie's waiting.
The water's not dirty.
Oh, like that's bothered you before. Spray her body so you can wash her. Is that my hose thing or yours? That's yours, isn't it?
Yeah, the top is...
I used to have one. Oh!
See?
Not while I'm videotaping, Lillian. No. No. I got to turn